The goal of the listicle strategy is to get placements in blog posts listing top products or services in your space. As an example, to gain more exposure for Respona, we will be finding blog posts listing affiliate recruitment tools, asking them to include us and join our affiliate program. Let's see how you can find and recruit affiliate partners with Respona. In the first fields, enter the name of your company or product. We will use Respona.com. Define your top keywords that capture everything your product or service is about. We recommend picking several or even using our AI keyword suggestions to broaden the search. In this example, I can ask you to develop a list of subtopics and niche areas related to email outreach. These will be used to set up your search string. In the third field, enter the names of some of your competitors. They will be used to find listicles that mention them, but not you. Now, explain what makes you stand out from other products or services already on the list. Is it your customer service, innovative features, or maybe your competitive pricing? This and the next field will be pulled into your email sequence. Finally, lay out the incentive you can offer your prospect for your conclusion. Make sure to mention that you can provide all the copy for your mention and offer them to join your affiliate program if you have one, of course. So here's what ours looks like. If you're interested in including us, I'm happy to 1. Get you 6 months access to try it out on the house. 2. I'll provide all the assets you need to update the article, screenshots, custom description, etc. Once you're set, hit use this template to get into the campaign editor. The email sequence will already be set up for you, but let's take a moment to refine it. Check it for spam words, add an unsubscribe link, and change the follow-up to delay, let's say about 5 days. Let's also add an AI icebreaker variable. It will automatically generate unique personalizations for each of the opportunities in your campaign and increase your reply rates. Clicking next step will get you to the automation review. Respona will automatically apply the most common variations of listicle post titles such as best, top, most popular, the only, etc. to your target keywords and exclude lists that already feature you and run multiple queries at the same time, pulling results into your campaign in real time. You can also hover your mouse over the queries and click on the preview button to check the results before running the search. All you really have to do on this screen is click continue and add some SEO filters to narrow down the results even further. Click continue again to see that context search is already set up for you. Respona will automatically seek out content and SEO managers along with other relevant decision makers of websites that you want to get links from. The next setting relates to AI personalization. Here, you can provide additional instructions and prompts for your AI variables. We, for example, like to keep the reading level at around 5th-ish grade level and stick to short sentences with minimal punctuation. Let's also enable the search to become recurring every couple of weeks or so. This will automatically rerun the search, topping off your campaign with fresh opportunities on autopilot. Speaking of autopilot, once you click on Run Automation, results will start popping up on your screen real time. But you don't need to wait for the entire search to be completed, as Respona will send you an email once it's done. When ready, you can move to the final step, review and launch. Here, you can review your AI variables and of course make manual edits if necessary. In addition to email addresses, Respona also finds the LinkedIn profiles of your prospects. We recommend also sending them a connection request on LinkedIn to create another touchpoint and obviously increase the chances of getting a reply. Once the pre-launch checks are complete and the campaign is running, all that's left for you to do is look out and respond to any responses. Good luck!